Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was an ordinary girl with big dreams and an unwavering determination to achieve them. She believed that no dream was too big or impossible to accomplish if she worked hard enough. One sunny morning, as Maya walked through the village, she stumbled upon an old, dilapidated building. The villagers whispered rumors that the building was haunted and cursed. Maya's curiosity sparked, and she decided to explore the mysterious place. Inside, she found a dusty room filled with cobwebs and broken furniture. But among the debris, she noticed a worn-out diary. Curiosity piqued her interest further, and she picked it up, gently blowing off the layers of dust. The diary belonged to a person named Samuel, who had once lived in the village many years ago. Maya sat down on the floor and began reading Samuel's story. It was a tale of struggle, resilience, and ultimately triumph. Samuel had faced numerous setbacks and challenges throughout his life, but he never gave up. He pursued his dreams relentlessly, even when the odds seemed insurmountable. Inspired by Samuel's story, Maya realized that she, too, had the power to overcome any obstacle that came her way. She decided to turn the old building into a community center, a place where people could gather, learn, and grow. Maya shared her vision with the villagers, and they too were inspired by her determination. Day by day, the villagers joined Maya in her mission. They cleaned the building, fixed broken windows, and painted the walls with vibrant colors. Maya started organizing workshops, teaching skills, and offering guidance to anyone who needed it. Slowly but steadily, the old building transformed into a lively hub of inspiration and hope. The village prospered, and Maya's efforts garnered attention from people far and wide. News of her remarkable achievements spread like wildfire, and soon enough, the entire region knew about Maya's village and the extraordinary transformation that had taken place. Maya's story touched the hearts of countless individuals, motivating them to chase their own dreams and make a difference in their communities. She became a symbol of hope, reminding everyone that with perseverance and belief in oneself, anything was possible. As years went by, Maya's village thrived, and the community center became a bustling hub of activity. Samuel's diary remained a cherished artifact, a reminder of the power of determination and the impact one person could make. Maya's journey taught everyone that dreams are meant to be pursued, regardless of the circumstances. She inspired generations to embrace challenges, to rise above their fears, and to create a brighter future for themselves and those around them. And so, Maya's legacy lived on, echoing through time as a testament to the power of a dream and the indomitable spirit that resides within each and every one of us.